Today my lesson is how to apply front push kick. You can apply normal kick or with jump. When you are learning kick, how to apply your body power for the kick. Else you can't apply powerful kick. Now you can see slow motion how to apply. Yes. Now you can see lateral view this kick. This kick easy to learn because of you are practicing this kick since childhood, working style like this. You can see slow motion. Central of the body, you can target your opponent's central gravity. Now look at me. Now you can apply this kick as you wish, side to side, left or right or back. You can apply with your foot stance way. Anyway you can apply this kick jumping with jumping kick.